So you're looking for ways to promote ClickBank products without a website? Great, you've landed on the right video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and as the title suggests, I'm going to be showing you a completely free way to promote ClickBank products without a website. This is perfect for new digital marketers or anybody that just wants to test out affiliate marketing without making any upfront investments. So make sure you stay with me all the way into the end of this video, as this is going to be a step-by-step process and you don't want to miss out on any of the important steps. And before we get started, if you found any of the information in this video useful to you in any way, then please leave a like, subscribe, and press the notification bell if you want to see more videos just like this. Or if you have any suggestions for any other videos that you want me to make, then please leave them in the box below. So when people start looking online for ways to make money, they inevitably come across affiliate marketing and ClickBank. The real problem is that the traditional method of promoting offers on ClickBank involve a small investment that a lot of people don't have. These usually include the purchase of domains, website hosting, subscriptions, email autoresponders, and landing page builders. Now what you're here for is a way to promote ClickBank products without a website, and by the end of this video you'll be equipped with the knowledge and blueprint of how to do exactly that. Now I will break down the process into a few easy to follow steps so that you can use this video as a reference for when you start. So I'm going to be covering 5 main steps, which include picking your niche, choosing the right product, creating your assets, casting your net, and then just rinse and repeat. So starting with your niche, I would recommend that you try to choose a niche that you're slightly interested in at least, as it can become demotivating when you lose drive due to not being interested in the subject that you have to work on. This should be looked at in a balanced view, as there are some people who always choose a niche based on their passion, but that doesn't necessarily mean that your passion can make money. Unless you have a lot of experience in marketing, organic and paid traffic, then I would not recommend going into the very competitive niches such as health and fitness or finance. You will find that sometimes the most obscure niches do well, as there are less people competing in them. Of course, if you're up for the challenge, then be my guest, as there's always a slice of the market waiting for the right marketer. So after picking your niche, it's important to understand your target audience. This will give you your best chance of succeeding. So this can be things such as like the target demographic, ideal gender, age group, country, and so on. For assessing if your niche is popular at the moment, then a valuable tool is to use Google Trends. When we search for a keyword, for example the niche woodworking, we can see that the trend is that it peaks once a year around December. Note, this is when you will make most of your sales. We also see on a scale of 0 to 100 how popular the keyword is, which is good for gauging how your niche is trending. Another website that is quite useful is demographics.io. The tool allows you to type in a keyword and it will tell you the information regarding the age ranges that are more likely to search for that specific term. For example, if we look at this search term, we can see that the most engaged age range is between 45 and 64. We can also see that males make up more than 70% of the people who use this search term. A lot of these details can be found by creating an avatar of the ideal customer in your niche. Think about where they hang out online and what social media platforms do they tend to use. For example, younger audiences are now more dominating platforms such as Snapchat and TikTok, whereas older audiences prefer using Facebook. This information should directly influence the social media platforms you use for the rest of this method. Alright, so you have your niche already picked out and the customer's avatar is ready. So now it's time to pick a product. My ideal product would have a good commission percentage and also have a good upsell funnel, so you end up making more money with each sell. Finding a product which has recurring payments is also what I look for, so you'll be paid out each month for converting just one customer. So once you're on ClickBank, the first thing that you need to do is register for a free affiliate account. Next, from your screen, click on the marketplace, which is the section of the website that contains a database of all the current live products. Now from this point, you have 2 choices depending on your preference. You can choose to search for a current popular product or stick with your niche that you chose earlier. Let's go with an example of woodworking. We will look for a nearest category to our original niche and customer avatar. You will then be presented with all the ClickBank products relating to the home and gardening niche. It is then best to sort this list by a filter called gravity. Now gravity is a score which is based off of how many people are promoting the product and making sales. By filtering the search results by gravity, we are able to easily find the most successful products in our category. We can also see the first result is in our niche, has a gravity of 133.54 and has an initial sale price of $55, which is great. To promote the product, we need our own unique affiliate link. This can be found by clicking the red promote button besides the offer. You now have your own affiliate link, which we will be using to direct customers to the sales page. The sales page is the page with all of the information about the product. Vendors spend thousands of dollars to test and optimize the sales page for conversions. So as long as you pick a good product, your traffic should convert. Next, we'll be looking at creating our assets. As this guide is about how to promote ClickBank products without a website, we need a good free alternative on which we can find our target market and drive them to the product sales page. For this, we'll be using free social media accounts to build our audience and lead them to the sales page via our affiliate link. Earlier, we spoke about finding out what platforms our audience most likely use. Now we need to use this information to pick a maximum of 2 to 3 social media networks to start building your following. For example, we can use Pinterest and Instagram to easily grow a following which is hyper targeted and interested in our product. Let us look at this Pinterest page, which is about woodworking. This page has 8.1 million monthly unique viewers to their profile. Just imagine the monthly click-through rate to the linked website. Let's just say the click-through rate is 10%, meaning 10% of the total viewers click the link on profile. 10% of 8.1 million is 810,000. And let us just lowball the amount of people that convert to be 1%. 1% of 810,000 is 8,100. That could mean they are making 8,100 conversions a month. Obviously, this is just a rough estimate, and conversions could also mean email opt-ins, but a lot of them will convert as sales. Now, the elephant in the room is still that we don't have a website to drive traffic to. Now, I can almost hear people saying, can't we just put our affiliate links there instead? Well, unfortunately, no, you can't. Pinterest has become much more stringent with their policy of external links. So untrustworthy sites and affiliate hop links are out of the question. What we can do is use what is known as a bridge page or landing page. The problem is that most landing page builders are paid tools such as ClickFunnels. Thankfully, I have a free alternative which is called Quick Pages, which allows you to build bridge pages for free, and you can even collect emails too. Great, I know. They have a selection of 6 ready-made templates to choose from, and the best part is it's free forever with no paid membership plans. The important part is where to put your affiliate hop link, which I'll show you right now. After you have customized your bridge page, it will allow you to create a page name, URL name, and to add your affiliate link. Now let's talk about casting your net. Now comes the fun part. This is how to promote ClickBank products without a website with free traffic. After you have filled out your Pinterest profile with all the important information about your brand, such as your logo and information about your niche page, you will then create your boards. You will then create a minimum of 10 different boards around your niche. For example, I would make a board about home DIY projects, garden DIY projects, and etc. Then you will look for similar pins using the search bar and pin a minimum of 5 other relevant pins to each of your boards. Yes, that's 50 pins, but trust me, it only takes a few seconds to pin a pin. Once your boards are filled and look presentable, you will start to make your own pins. You will then start to make your own pins around your niche and offer, such as the following pin. To make your pins, you can use another free online tool called Canva, which conveniently has templates for all major social media networks, including Pinterest. I will spare you the Canva art lesson, but if you search for Canva Pinterest tutorial, you will be spoiled for choice. Now that you have your own pin, it's time to create a pin on Pinterest and add your URL to our bridge page. Your description should have keywords relating to your niche throughout. As Pinterest is a search engine, you will start to get visitors via search. You will want to now create at least 3 pins every day and add them to your relevant boards. I call this casting your net, as you want as many of these pins out there on Pinterest to hopefully get someone to click on your link. Next, we are going to be following related people. Now it's time to follow people that are interested in your niche. You can do this by searching up your niche on Pinterest and following all of their followers. This is a fast way to get eyes on your profile while your account grows. A word of advice, try to only follow around 20 to 30 people a day for the first few weeks, as you do not want Pinterest to block your account. Eventually, the people that you follow will start to follow you back. Usually the percentage for people that follow you back can vary from 10 to 30%, so you can get 30 followers for every 300 people you follow. The next thing that you can do is join group boards. To boost boost the engagement and reach of your pins, it's a great idea to join group boards and pin your pins to those boards. Group boards are boards that are contributed to by a collective of people and have a huge reach potential. For example, this woodworking group. This group has over 74,000 followers and only 5 group members. It would be an understatement to call this an amazing group. The first profile picture is always the group owner. So to join, just follow them and send them a message explaining how you can contribute to the group's health and growth. The last stage is rinse and repeat. After you have completed all of the above steps, then it's time to do it all over again tomorrow. Yes, the key to this free affiliate marketing method is consistency and dedication. If you do the following things each day, you will see results. Create new relevant boards. Pinning other people's pins to your boards every day. Pinning a minimum of 3 to 5 of your own pins every day. Following the followers of your competitors every day. Joining group boards and pinning on them every day. The problem is that people never stick with a method long enough to see if it works. If you keep to this method and do the above steps, then within 3 to 5 months, you can be earning at least $100 to $250 every single day. Of course, results and time frames vary and are all dependent on your niche, the time of year, and your willingness to succeed. Once you start to make some income, I would recommend that you invest in a hosting plan and build a website, as this will be the best long-term strategy. You can then change your links to your new landing pages made on ClickFunnels or on your website. So there you have it, a completely free way to promote and make money with ClickBank products without a website. So now, what are you waiting for? Try it out and let me know how it's going. I wish you all of the best, and if you have any questions about this method, please leave a comment down in the box below and I'll get back to everybody, and I'll see you in another video.